right, it's Scott Xavier, and we're here with another tiki drink. This one is known as the Headhunter. Why? Because I wanted a cool tiki name for it. And we are going to do orange juice. Whatever your favorite orange juice is, you can freshly squeeze it or not. I usually do about 3/4 of a glass of orange juice. We'll put in a little bit more. I like to do a shot of pineapple juice. We'll use banana rum. We're going to do a half, a little bit more. Let's go 3/4 of a shot of banana rum. This is Bacardi. Use whatever you like. Malibu. Coconut rum. I'll do a shot of that. And now to top it, we are going to put a splash of grenadine. So give me a second as I run to the refrigerator for grenadine. You just want to put a drizzle of it in there. And now shake it. Because shaking, what does it do? It both mixes and cools it. You want to hold the top, by the way. If you don't know how to hold a shaker glass, you want to 3 fingers here, 1 on top. Put some effort into it. And you always bang it against the counter to break the seal because it gets suctiony. See if we can, there we go. Look at how beautiful that drink is. That's a tropical drink. Top with ice. If you wanted a little bit more ice, you can put it in there, but the Headhunter is delicious.